Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO Y17S, and let me show you how to boot developer options. First of all, locate and open the settings. Then scroll all the way down and mark About Phone. Here you need to enroll software information, and you've got here build number. You have to tap on it 7 times. Then draw an unlock pattern if you have one. If you don't have one yet, it will be automatically done. So as you can see, now you are a developer, so developer options are unlocked. Just go back and now enroll system. Under system settings, you will find developer options now. So just click to open, use them however you like, manage your device, and this is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.